How do minor procedural errors overturn major convictions? Imagine a case where a person has been convicted of a serious crime, perhaps involving theft or assault, and after years of serving time, they discover that a small mistake was made during their trial process. This scenario highlights how seemingly insignificant errors can have profound effects on the outcome of a case. Procedural errors refer to mistakes made during the legal process that violate the rules established to ensure fairness and justice. These can include improper jury instructions, incorrect admission or exclusion of evidence, or failure to provide the defendant with a proper opportunity to present a defense. Even minor errors, if they violate the defendant's rights or compromise the integrity of the trial, can be grounds for appeal or post-conviction relief. One common way these errors overturn convictions is through a process called post-conviction relief or appeal. When a defendant believes that a procedural mistake affected the fairness of their trial, they can request a higher court to review the case. If the appellate court finds that the error was significant enough to have influenced the verdict, it may overturn the conviction or order a new trial. For example, if evidence was improperly admitted because the judge failed to follow correct procedures, this could be grounds for overturning a conviction. Similarly, if the jury was not properly instructed on the law, leading to a misunderstanding of the legal standards, the conviction might be challenged successfully. The key factor is whether the procedural error prejudiced the defendant's right to a fair trial. If the error is deemed harmless and unlikely to have affected the outcome, the conviction may stand. However, if the error is considered prejudicial, it can lead to the conviction being vacated or the case being remanded for a new trial. In some instances, minor procedural errors can be the basis for a legal principle called ineffective assistance of counsel, which can also result in overturning a conviction. This occurs when the defendant's lawyer failed to perform competently, such as neglecting to object to inadmissible evidence or failing to investigate key facts. Overall, the justice system recognizes that even small mistakes can undermine the fairness of a trial. When these errors are identified and proven to have influenced the outcome, they can serve as a powerful tool to correct wrongful convictions and uphold the integrity of the legal process.